What's up guys, I'm Sharmaya. So today I have came up with another video on my channel Little Guru. So if you're new to my channel, I would like to tell you that I create videos for you on educational topics. So now today in this video I have came up with some cool tips and tricks, or we can say some features of the iPhone. So now let's begin quickly. So the first tip or the feature is about the screenshot. Let's take one, and if I want to just hide some sensitive information which I don't want to show anyone, if I send it to anyone, like we generally do choose these options and just do like this. Yeah, but the safer but the it is not safe, as there are some apps which can make these marks transparent and see what is behind it, what is in the background. And now the safer one is through this choosing this plus option and just click on this square option. Now place it over anywhere and uh, just we can also just may resize it by the help of these handles, and we can also place it anywhere with by the help of dragging it. And now if you want to make it completely black, click on this option and now click on this option and it will become completely black, and we can also customize it. Now moving on to the second tip, it is also about the screenshot. And take one, and if I want to make focus on anything in my screenshot, I have to just choose the magnifier over here. All right, the magnifier, and place it over anywhere. Oh sorry, just do it. And yeah, it has let's take another. It has chosen two magnifiers. Yeah, so one magnifier and place it over anywhere, and it is also adjustable and placeable. Just put it over anywhere, and it will make focus on the particular thing which you have kept it. Now the third tip is about the Safari. If I want to send anyone this selection, what we generally do, by copying it, going to the iMessage or through the WhatsApp, we send it to anyone. Yeah, but the time saving or the faster way, we can say, is through this one. Just click over here, the share one, and it will share to wherever you want, to a particular contact, with the help of iMessage or with the help of WhatsApp also. So if you like this video, smash the subscribe button, and if you're having any doubt or suggestion in your mind, put that one in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video.